refreshes us. Number 3, what the shepherd provides for the sheep is restoration. Sabi mo, restoration. So not only does God provide for our physical needs, no? Now we can see here that He can also provide for our emotional needs. Psalm 23 verse 3a, He restores my soul. He restores my soul. I don't know about you, no, how you meditate. No? Ako, sarap ako mag-meditate dyan. Everyday try nyo. Everyday verse 1. Ulit-ulit. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Kinabukasan yung verse 1. He leads me beside quiet waters. He leads me beside quiet waters. Pangatlong araw, He restores my soul. Ang sarap yan. He restores my soul. Before you even pray, no? I-meditate yung ulit-ulit. That's how you meditate. No? You keep on declaring a certain verse or a certain passage, no, in the Bible. No? He restores my soul. So God is saying right now, no, when our hearts are broken, still we do not feel broken now. Hindi naman sinabing sa love life,